Welcome to the assembly guide for the new and improved Scott's Lawn Sweeper. Follow these steps to set up your lawn sweeper quickly and easily. First, grab the lawn sweeper referenced as M in the manual. Then look at the legs referenced as P and Q in the manual to see which one goes on which side. In this example, we will start with the left. Take the L leg and connect it to the sweeper body. Once the leg snaps into place, secure the leg with the beveled hook by clicking the buckle into the hole. Repeat the same process for the second leg. Next, we're going to start assembling the handle. We will need the metal tubing referenced as B in the manual, the upper handle referenced as A, and items referenced as C, N, and S. Begin by inserting one piece of the metal tubing into the upper part of the handle. Secure it by inserting the bolt, referenced as C in the manual, on one side. Then place the washer referenced as N on the other and tighten with the wing nut referenced as S. Repeat this for the other piece of the tubing on the upper handle. Now, take the assembled handle and push it into the lower part of the handle located on the sides of the sweeper body. Grab the remaining items referenced as C, N, and S. Insert the bolt through the slot from the side. Secure the handle by placing the washer on the other side and tighten with the wing nut. Repeat this for the other side of the lower part of the handle. Next, we're going to start assembling the hopper bag. We will need the items referenced as H, I, and D, and the item referenced as G in the manual. To assemble the hopper bag, start with the upper frame rod and insert the end of the frame rod into the sleeve of the upper hopper bag. Push the rod all the way through and then insert the other end of the frame rod into the other sleeve at the top of the hopper bag. Insert and push both sides of the upper rod into the grooves of the hopper bag handle connectors. Insert the lower frame rod with the hooks up through the lower hopper bag sleeve and repeat for the other side. Leave the crossbar on the lower rod alone for now. Now push the lower rod ends into the lower part of the hopper bag handle connectors. Now position the lower crossbar into the lower sleeve on the hopper bag until it's inserted. Now take your assembled bag and using the two hooks at the bottom, place those underneath the humps located on the sweeper body. Finally, snap the groove of the handles to the bars. Congratulations! You have now fully assembled your brand new Scott's Lawn Sweeper. For any more information, please visit AmericanLawnmower.com.